Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up Google credentials in self-hosted n8n. All right, let's begin. Open your browser and then open your n8n workflow. Click the plus icon and add any node you want. For this example, I am selecting Google Drive. Now open the credentials section and choose Create New Credentials. Next, go to Google Cloud, log in, and select your project or create a new one. From the left menu, select API and Services, then select Credentials. Choose Create New Credentials and select OAuth Client ID. Now go back to API and Services from the left menu and open OAuth Consent screen. Click Get Started, fill in the required details, select External, enter your email, and finish. Then open OAuth Client again. Choose Web Application, enter a name, and paste your n8n workflow link under the redirect URL. Click Create, then copy the client ID and client secret. Paste both into n8n and sign in with your Google account. So that's basically how you can set up Google credentials in n8n. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.